Now all of you see here. So yesterday I have told you about the series LCR circuit. LCR circuit. Today we will do the revision of this and then I will start new thing. In the series LCR circuit, here it is, there is an inductor, capacitor and resistor which are connected in series, and this combination is connected to an AC source whose instantaneous voltage is given by V equals to V naught sine omega t. What is V naught? It is the peak value of voltage. It is the peak value of voltage. It is inductor, capacitor and resistor. Now see here. Here what will be the value of voltage at any instant? At any instant, voltage will be in between 0 to V naught. It's clear? This is V, the instantaneous value of voltage. Let at any instant when voltage is V, current is suppose I. When the voltage is V, current is I. It's clear? And here we have assumed that potential drop across the inductor is VL, across this it is VC, and across this it is VR. So what will be the values of VL? VL equals to I into XL. And what is the value of XL? XL equals to omega L, that is equals to 2 pi FL. What is omega? It is the angular frequency of AC. What is F? It is the frequency of AC. Then VC, this is XL is known as inductive reactance. It is known as inductive reactance. It is clear? VC equals to I into XC. And what will be XC here? XC equals to 1 upon omega C. That is equal to 1 upon 2 pi FC. This is called the capacitive reactance. Here it is called capacitive reactance. And VR equals to I into R. VR equals to I into R. So see here, what will be the value of instantaneous voltage at any instant? Instantaneous voltage. So as you know that if you see on the phasor diagram, you will find that on the phasor diagram, voltage and VR and I both are in the same phase. It's clear? VR and I both are in the same phase. It's clear? This VR and I both are in same phase. But VL is leading to the phase I by what angle? Pi by 2. VL leads to the current by pi by 2. Means we can say that when VL is leading to I, therefore VL is also leading to VR. And by what phase angle? Pi by 2. Similarly, VC, it lags behind to the current by a phase angle pi by 2. VC is lagging behind the current by a phase angle pi by 2 means VC is lagging behind to this VR by what angle? Pi by 2. आया समझे? मतलब क्या हुआ? VL VR को लीड कर रहा है पाई बाई 2 से, VC VR से लैग बिहाइंड कर रहा है पाई बाई 2 से. This point is clear. So what will be the resultant of VL and VC? So you can see the resultant here, VL is bigger, therefore resultant of VL and VC will be VL minus VC. It will be VL minus VC. VL minus VC. This is VR. So if you draw the parallelogram, so this will be the resultant of VL, VC and VR. This diagonal will be the resultant of VL, VC and VR, which will be equal to the instantaneous voltage. हमने बताया था जो रिजल्टेंट पोटेंशियल डिफरेंस होगा इन तीनों का नेट होगा, वही क्या होगा? इंस्टेंटेनियस होगा. सो इन तीनों का नेट रिजल्टेंट क्या आ रहा है? ये आ रहा है. इसकी वैल्यू क्या हो जाएगी? सो दिस थिंग इज इक्वल टू वी आर. This is equals to how much? This and this are equal, so it will be VL minus VC. So you can write net potential difference. Net potential difference, it will be V equals to square root के अंदर VL minus VC whole square plus VR whole square. This point is clear? VL minus VC whole square plus VR whole square. Now you can see here what is VL here. VL equals to I into XL. Already I have written. So V equals to, here you can write VL minus VC, that is I into XL minus I into XC whole square plus VR is I into R whole square. When you will simplify, it will be I square XL minus XC whole square plus I square R square. When you take out I square common, what will be? This is I, this is what? XL minus XC whole square plus R square. So now you bring I in this side, I you can bring in this side. So V upon I, this is equals to what? Square root के अंदर XL minus XC का whole square plus R square. This V upon I is called the impedance of LCR circuit. This is called impedance of LCR circuit. It's clear? V upon I, this is Z impedance. What is its unit of LCR circuit? And impedance means it is the obstruction offered by LCR circuit in the flow of current. 03041965 कैपिटल C है. हाँ ठीक है.
@GC है.
हाँ. Impedance of LCR circuit means we can write impedance of LCR circuit as XL minus XC whole square plus R square. This you can write in this way also. Omega L minus 1 upon omega C whole square plus R square. ये क्या हो गया तुम्हारा? इम्पीडेंस का फार्मूला हो गया. ये एक फार्मूला ये है. इट इज क्लियर? दिस इज वन फार्मूला. नाउ यू कैन सी देयर इज वन मोर फार्मूला which you can see here. This net potential difference. Net potential difference at any instant will be given by this formula. This point is clear? Whether it is clear or not?
Yes, sir.
Now see here, after this you can see what will be the net phase difference. So here in this case you can see when VL is greater than VC, then potential difference across LCR circuit leads to the current by what phase angle? Phi. अगर VL VC से बिगर है तो LCR सर्किट के क्रॉस जो पोटेंशियल डिफरेंस होगा that will be leading to the current by a phase angle phi. And what will be tan phi? It will be VL minus VC upon VR. It is clear? So see here, this also I told yesterday. If VL is greater than VC, then potential difference across LCR circuit will lead to current by a phase angle phi, where tan phi equals to what? Tan phi equals to XL minus, you can see here, I have written earlier, tan phi equals to VL minus VC upon VR. It's clear. This is one formula. And when you will simplify, जब हम VL, VC और VR की values रखेंगे, when we will substitute the values of VL, VC and VR, we will get another formula tan phi equals to XL minus XC upon R. Higher sir, you can substitute IXL, IXC, IR, I will be cancelled, so it will be equal to this. It's clear? Now, one more thing you can see. Suppose if VL is less than VC. VL is less than VC means inductive reactance is less than the capacitive reactance. It is clear? In that case, what will be the phasor diagram? It will be like this. Here it is VR. This is the phasor of I. This is I. And VL is this, VC will be this. But the phasor of VC is longer, then what will be the resultant of VL and VC? It will be in this side. This will be the resultant of VL and VC. This will be equal to VC minus VL. VC minus VL. So VC minus VL and VR का resultant क्या होगा? How will you find? So you complete the parallelogram. This will be the resultant. It is clear? This will be this diagonal. So what will be V here? Here V equals to VR का whole square plus VLC minus VL का whole square. Means the same thing you will get. You will get the same thing. But here what will happen? Net potential difference is lagging behind to the current. आया समझ मेन चीज क्या है? अगर ये होगा, then net potential difference will lag behind the current. Behind the current by phase angle phi. Where tan phi is how much? Tan phi equals to, you can see here the same thing, XC minus XL it will become, because now XC is greater, but we will write in this way, XL difference XC upon R. It's clear? XL difference XC. Or you simply write XL minus XC also. It's clear? That way also you can write. But now it will lag behind. It will lag behind. So this also I have told. This point is clear or not? सबको समझ में आया? Now see, third case was when VL and VC both are equal. When VL equals to VC. VL equals to VC means both are equal. This is VR. This will be the phasor of I. Here in this side it is VL and this is VC. These two are equal. So what will be the resultant of VL and VC? It will become 0. There will be nothing here. So what will be the net potential difference? Net potential difference V equals to VR. It will be equal to VR. It's clear? And what is the phase difference? So phase difference will be 0 because the net potential difference is this. It is clear? So there will be no phase difference. It's clear? Therefore, V and I will be in same phase. And if you see from the formula, VL equals to VC means XL equals to XC. if you see the formula tan phi equals to XL minus XC upon R. XL minus XC 0 equal, so it will become 0. Therefore, phi will be equal to 0. So V and I will be in the same phase. V and I will be in the same phase. This point is clear, and
Yes.
circuit will become pure resistive. So up to here I have told you. Up to this point I have told you. It's clear? Now see here. So you can see here, these are the main formulae. It is clear? We will take the formula in this way only. We will not write XC minus XL. It's clear? ज्यादा से ज्यादा हम क्या लिख सकते हैं? XL difference XC लिख सकते हैं. It is clear? In the same way, here also you can put this sign. In place of minus, you can use this sign. That is VL और VC का difference. This point is clear? Now see here, LR circuit. Now you can see. What is XL? XL is called inductive reactance. What is XC? Capacitive reactance. Is clear? Geetanjali?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. LR circuit. Is clear? LR circuit मतलब कैपेसिटर है ही नहीं ना. तो अगर हम देखें फार्मूले देख लें तो आना क्या चाहिए? कैपेसिटर नहीं है मतलब VC नहीं है. VC नहीं है तो मतलब ये क्या हो जाएगा? V. नेट पोटेंशियल डिफरेंस क्या आ जाएगा? VL स्क्वायर प्लस VR स्क्वायर. यू कैन सी हियर नेट पोटेंशियल डिफरेंस इट विल बी V इक्वल्स टू VC है ही नहीं तो VL स्क्वायर प्लस VR स्क्वायर. बिकॉज VC है नहीं तो VC को हमने क्या कर दिया? हटा दिया. इट्स क्लियर? देन यू कैन सी व्हाट विल बी द इम्पीडेंस. इम्पीडेंस कैपेसिटर नहीं है तो मतलब XC नहीं है, XC को हटा दिया मतलब XL स्क्वायर प्लस R स्क्वायर. सो इम्पीडेंस विल बी Z equals to, this is XL square plus R square. And phase difference phi. So tan phi you can see here. VC को हटा दो क्योंकि VC है ही नहीं तो VL upon VR या XL upon R. It is clear? Tan phi will be XL upon R. And here it will lead or lag. So since there is no VC here, इस साइड में तो कुछ है ही नहीं तो ये तो अल्टीमेटली क्या करेगा? VR और VL का रिजल्टेंट इधर ही होगा. सो ये लीड करेगा. It's clear? And you can see here XL upon R will come out positive also. XL upon R will come out positive. But if you see XC upon R, it will come out negative because of this. तो पॉजिटिव का मतलब क्या है? tan phi पॉजिटिव आ रहा है मतलब लीड करेगा. tan phi इक्वल्स टू पॉजिटिव मतलब लीड. और tan phi अगर क्या आ रहा है? निगेटिव आ रहा है देन इट मीन्स लैग. इट्स क्लियर? त्रिपाठी?
यस सर.
आज हम तुम्हारा स्टेटस पढ़ रहे थे, बड़ा अच्छा लिखा है तूने.
सर हमने कोई स्टेटस नहीं लगाया.
अरे वो उसमें एक कोटेशन डाला है ना, बड़ा अच्छा हमको लगा.
सर समझ गए सर, समझ गए.
तुम समझ बहुत जल्दी जाते हो. नाउ सी हियर, कोई भी ऐसा काम करे कि सब कोई जाने. So you can see here this is VR and phasor of current is this. अब हम डायग्राम से देख रहे हैं एंड जैसे VL VC है ही नहीं. So what will be the resultant of VL and VR? You can find by completing the parallelogram. By completing the parallelogram, you can find out what will be this. So V equals to, it is equals to VR square plus VL square. It is clear? Now you can see here this net potential difference is leading by what angle? Tan phi equals to VL upon VR. समझ में आ गया? So हम एक इसको आगे नहीं बता रहे हैं ना. Now see here. Here one thing I have forgot to tell you, impedance triangle, that you can see. Impedance triangle. You can see here as you know that tan phi equals to XL minus XC upon R. So you take this angle as phi. What will be this? This is XL minus XC and this is R. It's clear? So what will be this? This is the hypotenuse. How will you find? XL minus XC का होल स्क्वायर प्लस R स्क्वायर. और ये क्या चीज है बताओ? XL माइनस XC का होल स्क्वायर प्लस R स्क्वायर. ये भी है, ये क्या है? जेड. देख लो, XL माइनस XC का होल स्क्वायर प्लस R स्क्वायर. It is clear? This is what? This is Z. Have you got this?
Yes, sir.
सबको समझ में आया?
Yes, sir.
So see here, this is equals to Z. So this triangle is called the impedance triangle. इस triangle को क्या कहते हैं? Impedance triangle. आया समझे? Tan phi equals to XL minus XC upon R. When you will find out the hypotenuse will come out XL minus XC का whole square plus R square. That is equal to Z. It's clear? So see here. Here this is the LR circuit. ये LR circuit हो गया. Now you see the CR circuit. Next is CR circuit. तो CR circuit में L वाली टर्म गायब कर देंगे, VL गायब करने का देंगे, XL गायब कर देंगे ना. ऐसे CR सर्किट में क्या हो जाएगा? नेट पोटेंशियल डिफरेंस V equals to VC square plus R square. VC square plus R square. Net potential difference will be equal to VC square plus R square. It is clear? Then what will be the impedance? When you will see the impedance, so Z will be equal to XC square plus R square, or you can write it as 1 upon omega C का whole square plus R square. This is the impedance. And then phase difference. Phi. So tan phi equals to XC upon R. Tan phi equals to XC upon R. It's clear? And here net potential difference or instantaneous potential difference will lag behind. Net potential difference or पोटेंशियल डिफरेंस एट एनी इंस्टेंट will lag behind current by a phase angle phi. It will lag behind the current by the phase angle phi. This point is clear? It will
Yes,
lag
sir.
behind the current. Then after this LC circuit, now see here LC circuit means resistance is zero. Actually such circuit is not possible. This type of circuit is not possible. Practically it don't exist. Practically LC circuit is not possible. क्यों नहीं पॉसिबल है? क्योंकि जो इंडक्टर बनाएंगे उसका रेजिस्टेंस तो होगा ही होगा. जिस वायर को हम फोल्ड करके इंडक्टर बनाएंगे उसका कुछ ना कुछ रेजिस्टेंस होगा, वो जीरो नहीं हो सकता. बट इसके बाद भी हमने ये लिया है ना, तो अब देख लो इसमें क्या होगा. व्हाट विल बी नेट पोटेंशियल डिफरेंस? Net potential difference means potential difference at any instant. This will be equal to VL difference VC. It's clear? It may be VL minus VC or VC minus VL, जो बिगर हो. आया समझे? अगर VL बिगर है तो VL minus VC, VC is bigger than VC minus VL. It's clear? What will be impedance? Impedance you can see, क्योंकि R वाली सभी टर्म हटा दोगे, Z will be equal to XL difference XC. XL difference XC. It is clear? Now if you make the phasor diagram, so you can see here. This is VL, this is VC, and here this is the phasor of I. VR है ही नहीं. So VL is leading, VC is lagging. What will be the resultant of VL and VC? It will be this. This will be the resultant of VL and VC. You can see here, this is resultant of VL and VC. It's clear? You can see here, this will be the VL minus VC. It is leading to the current by what angle? By 90 degree. VL minus VC means net potential difference leading to the current by 90 degree. पर अगर क्या हो, VC is longer, suppose ये वाला हो, here it is VL, this VC. So you can see here, what is the resultant of this? So it will be VC minus VL. VC minus VL. And here it is lagging behind the current by a phase angle 90 degree. मतलब phase angle दोनों केस में क्या आता है? 90 degree आता है. आया समझे? If you see from this formula, tan phi equals to XL minus XT upon R. अब R तो क्या है? जीरो है. जब जीरो है तो क्या हो जाएगा? 0, that is equals to infinity. Tan phi is infinity. Therefore, phi equals to 90. Phi equals to 90 degree. This point is clear? Phi कितना है? 90 डिग्री है. सबको आया समझ में?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now see here. This जाओ जरा देखें क्या है.